Chadsters, today is a different video. We're in Rapid Router and we're going to do some of this. So quickly, I'm going to do this.
A few moments later.
Okay. So we're in this. We're going to go to Rapid Router and yeah. So we're gonna do the getting started stuff. And we're going to start off with level 1. So what this basically is, it's block code. So what that means is that you need to pick the blocks and do that. So and then if you get the yellow thing, and it'll just connect. So because there's only one, so if we get into it right now. So basically here, this is a house. So we need the truck to get to the house, and for that to happen, we need to use our code. And that code, basically, we need to see how many times the truck has to go forward. So this time it has to go one time. So it'll go forward one time, and then we'll be okay. It's just a suspension. So let's go ahead. It's further away this time, so we don't have anything like loops that'll help us. So we need to do the actual code. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, we'll do the first 12 levels in this video, and then we're going to do something else in the next video. So basically, in this level, we need to make it turn right. And to do that, we have another code block. So we're going to go straight because there's one straight right. So one straight and one right. So we're going to turn right after we put our move forward. Perfect. Now we have to go further, and then we have to turn left this time. Some blocks might disappear depending on what your code is, but when you get more into the harder levels and when you get onto Python, you might get like speed, like you can only go that amount of speed. You can only go. There might be red lights. There might be a petroleum meter, so you need to worry about that as well. So and basically I might just speed through them. So if I speed through them, it's just this button. So we're gonna move forward once, twice, and thrice. So 3 times we're going to move forward, and then it's a turn left and another forward, because even though it goes on an angle, there's still another one because the house isn't in this box, and if it was in this box, I wouldn't have added this thing. So I'll just speed that up quickly. So yeah, basically it can be further away and stuff. So this time it's gonna be a bit harder. We could use loops if we had them, but because we don't, we need to do this ourselves. So it'll be left, right, left, right, left, right. We're gonna do that twice each time. So I did it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and that should do it. Perfect. Got a perfect score. So now we have a bit of a harder one. And we need to go forward, left, right, right, and go down to the place. So basically we're gonna go straight, left, right, straight, right, straight, and then that's a right. So Now we've got as 3 straight, so we're going to take a left, and that should do this trick. Perfect score. Now, what we might do is these algorithm points. If we don't get those algorithm points, that means that there's a chance that you can make it simpler. And if you can make it simpler, then that's basically making your algorithm a bit better. And your algorithm is basically, so an algorithm is basically like a set of instructions that you do for a thing to work its way out. And an algorithm can also be like a strategy that always wins or can always draw something. But what we're gonna do here is basically we're gonna make our simple algorithm, but as you go further on you need to work on your algorithm and make it simpler. That also changes the route. So if you have two options for the route, you might want to go a simpler way, but with loops and all of those complicated types of code, that can make stuff a bit harder. So I'm just doing this code here: turn left. So the strategy is uh, if we get something wrong, we can fix that by actually. So let me just demonstrate the algorithm. If we go left, so so yeah. So let me just reset this. Straight. Just a simple block code. This isn't even Python. So Python can get very hard. So it can be very harder than this. So if this is hard, you might want to recap them before you go on to Python. It's a bit of a hard one, so if I don't do this, I usually go on the harder ones. So if we go to the main place, shortest route. This is where that you can. This is where you have to work on your algorithm. So let's just get. So this is Python. Basically, we're gonna go on that. But so basically, let's try loops. No, let's try this one. So this one is basically a simple one. Don't get confused by any of these. These are very simple. Repeat until at destination, and just do this because repeat until at destination, which is there, and then it'll make it just keep going forward whenever it needs to get to the place. So this one has left, right, left, right, left, right. Repeat until at destination. Left, right. So this one will keep going left, right, left, right, left, right until it's at the destination. This one is left, right, straight, straight, left, right, straight, straight. So
bum bum para bum bum para
So, okay, so we've done a few levels of that. I think next level. Okay, no, I think that's it for today. Yeah, I think that's it for today. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.